Understanding the future tense, a beginner's guide. As an important aspect of English grammar, the future tense refers to actions or events that will happen in the future. However, there are also subtenses within the future tense that add more specificity to the timing of these future events. In this video, we will explore the different subtenses of the future tense and provide examples of how to use them. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is the most basic form of the future tense. It is used to describe an action or event that will happen at a specific point in the future. To form the simple future tense, we use the auxiliary verb, will, followed by the base form of the verb. Examples: I will visit my grandparents next week. They will buy a new car next year. He will finish his homework before dinner. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense, also known as the future progressive tense, is used to describe an ongoing action or event that will take place at a specific point in the future. To form the future continuous tense, we use the auxiliary verb, will, followed by be, and the present participle, ing, form of the verb. Examples: I will be studying for my exam tomorrow afternoon. They will be watching the game at 8 p.m. tonight. She will be cooking dinner when we arrive. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will be completed at a specific point in the future before another action takes place. To form the future perfect tense, we use the auxiliary verb, will, followed by have, in the past participle form of the verb. Examples: by the time we arrive, he will have finished his work. They will have been married for 10 years next month. She will have completed her degree by the end of the year. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an ongoing action that will have been in progress for a certain period of time before another action takes place in the future. To form the future perfect continuous tense, we use the auxiliary verb, will, followed by have been, and the present participle, ing, form of the verb. Examples: by the time he retires, he will have been working for the company for 30 years. They will have been traveling for 2 months when they arrive home. She will have been practicing her piano skills for 6 hours by the time of her performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future tense is an important aspect of English grammar that allows us to describe actions or events that will happen in the future. The subtenses within the future tense add more specificity to the timing and duration of these future events. By mastering these subtenses, you can enhance your writing and speaking skills in English and communicate your ideas more effectively.